Deuteronomy 32 verse 4, He is the rock, His works are perfect, and all His ways are just. A faithful God who does no wrong, upright and just is He. Psalm 9 verses 7 to 8, The Lord reigns forever, He has established His throne for judgment. He rules the world in righteousness and judges the peoples with equity. Isaiah 30 verse 18, Yet the Lord longs to be gracious to you, therefore He will rise up to show you compassion. For the Lord is a God of justice. Blessed are all who wait for Him. Proverbs 21 verse 15, When justice is done, it brings joy to the righteous but terror to evildoers. Psalm 33 verse 5, The Lord loves righteousness and justice, the earth is full of His unfailing love. Micah 6 verse 8, He has shown you, O mortal, what is good. And what does the Lord require of you? To act justly and to love mercy and to walk humbly with your God. Romans 2 verse 6, God will repay each person according to what they have done. Isaiah 61 verse 8, For I, the Lord, love justice, I hate robbery and wrongdoing. In my faithfulness I will reward my people and make an everlasting covenant with them. Psalm 89 verse 14, Righteousness and justice are the foundation of your throne, love and faithfulness go before you. Jeremiah 9 verse 24, But let the one who boasts boast about this, that they have the understanding to know me, that I am the Lord, who exercises kindness, justice, and righteousness on earth, for in these I delight. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.